Oh, go on, cuz.
But there, you know. Where for me?
I'm not getting no info on the container.
Nothing at all?
No, you're not there to walk. You look like them moving.
Yeah. One thing's I can put that somewhere where we can't find it.
So, cuz, I watch I for you them way.
Yo, man, if you remember one cool youth who used to come around when we were younger.
Coolie youth.
Yeah, man. We used to call him Coolie Boy. He was short and fat them time there.
I think I remember we are talk. And him?
Yes, sir. The man go war and come back, and I'm going with a bag of things.
But you can't just take this, sir. You don't chat to the police.
Police? You can't do that. Remember say my name upon the papers them?
But it look like somebody will look out for you still.
Yeah. The local intelligence agency.
Then that not good? If them never step in, you not lock up, you know.
Well, me not too trust them, cause them same one try for me a couple times. I don't want them have this over me.
Oh, over is what you say. So what do you plan to do?
Me, I go run out of the country for about 10 days. But I want you to try and find the paperwork with the name on it.
Alright, I'm going to do some digging and set my seat in my system.
Oh, next thing. I want you to check on a shipping company named Tom Strokes and see if Antonio Esperanza doing shipping with them.
Alright, I say a word. I'm going to do some digging.
If you find the paper with the name on it, just make sure say you clear it out of our system. And make me get it as soon as you find it, let me get it. And wipe it out clean out of every system. Understand?
Yeah, man. From a find it, I want to.
Because let me leave you with you. I want to be very careful when you check out this Antonio Esperanza thing. Because if you find out, say, anybody has snoop around, he might do something stupid.
Are really the fat cool youth you attack? I ain't come from up a hilltop side.
Him same one. The man go to war and come back deadly.
So what you and him have?
Well, it's really a business deal we go sour. Because him there try to mess with my credibility and you know so I not play that.
Me know that. So I'm in a construction now?
He might try. But me keep him out.
That's why I'm trying for you.
Yeah.
Be careful in the Carlton. The youth sound dangerous.
You forget who your cousin be? Danger my middle name. I'm not afraid of nobody.
Yeah, me know, but still, this just sounds serious.
I'm fully aware of that. You just focus on finding the documents and the shipping company.
Yeah, man, that's a 40. Consider it done. So, how Marcus?
I'm mega looking, man. I'm gonna make progress. So, I'm go over there to make sure say everything up on the up and up.
So, them shake him up bad?
Yes, sir. A good thing is I'm gonna move him when I move him, or will I lose him?
For real. Johnny Star, remember the days when we couldn't get along?
Yeah, that's true, but blood thicker than water. At the end of the day, I'm a brother.
Why? At the end of the day, nothing beat family, you know.
True that.
Talking about that, Auntie G passing out. You didn't know?
No, I never hear.
Yeah, man, 2 days ago.
So, what happened?
She did in the hospital for a while, you know.
What happened to her?
Old people sickness cause. She did up in her age.
She over 80, not true?
Yeah, 85.
Well, she back good. 4s and 6s.
For real, cause. I thought we might not even live for see them age.
Why, cause the most we can do is just live as healthy as possible and watch your head back.
Real talk.
Tell you what, keep me posted on the funeral. Let me know if you need anything where we can send over some money. As a matter of fact, tell them some me deal the coffin.
Yeah. I go get the information now.
So, how anti-burial?
She good enough. You need to pass you and link her one of them there.
Yeah, man. When we return, we do that. In the meantime, just give her my love.
Yeah, man, me do that. I love up on the work, you know.
Yeah, man. Do your thing. And thanks for pass through.
Yeah, man. Bless up. We're a family, you know.
Alright. We'll have a drink when we come back.
Yeah, man. And you must stop on the calm when I'm business.
You're right. That'll fix that. No worry.
Yeah, man. Movements.
Alright, cuz. Alright, I have a plane to catch.
Master, I hope you'll at least appreciate the fact that we allowed your better half to bring you some presentable gears. I will for bet say you're going to win best dressed inmate on the block.
So I'm supposed to do? Give you a medal for that after I'm going to take me from front of my man.
You know, it's me say better half. Let me change that. Better 3/4. It's looking like she have more sense than you. Your grandmother never tell you say when you're hand in a lion mouth, you take time take you out.
So what you try to say? You are the lion and I'm supposed to fear it.